In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Excel. Keeping Excel updated is important because updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, new features, and security patches. The good news is that checking for updates only takes a moment, and you can do it directly from within Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, look to the top left area of the window and click the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you can access settings and account-related options for the program. Next, in the menu on the left-hand side, select Account. In some versions of Excel, this may appear as Office Account. So if you do not see Account right away, look for that alternative name. This section shows information about your Microsoft Office installation, including update controls. Under the Product Information area, find and click Update Options. When you click it, a small menu will appear with a few choices related to updates. From that menu, select Update Now. This tells Excel to immediately check Microsoft servers for any available updates for your Office apps. After that, wait while Office checks for updates and installs anything that is available. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection and whether any updates are found. During this part of the process, it is best to avoid closing Excel or interrupting the update. If an update is available, Office will download and apply it automatically. Once the update check is complete, you may see a message letting you know that Office is up to date, or you may be notified that updates were installed successfully. If Excel prompts you to restart the application, go ahead and do that. Restarting ensures the update is fully applied and that Excel runs with the latest changes in place. That's all there is to it. Open Excel, go to File, choose Account or Office Account, click Update Options, and then select Update Now. Finally, wait for the process to finish and restart Excel if prompted. As a quick tip, if you do not see the update option, it may depend on your version of Office or how your software is managed, especially on a work or school device. But in most standard installations, these steps will help you quickly check for updates in Microsoft Excel.